Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishwagattu and this is VG Studios. If you're new here, I regularly make Python tutorials to teach my viewers the basics of Python and to inspire more people to start coding. This video is brought to you by Ludacase. Unleash your inner gamer with Ludacase. Ludacase is the one-stop shop for all the best and affordable PC cases. Their latest and greatest case is their top-of-the-line Ludacase Init. With 3 pre-installed RGB fans on the front and a built-in RGB controller, this mid-tower ATX case is the best bang for your buck, meaning you can install up to 6 fans that can all be controlled via the built-in RGB controller. And what makes this case even better is that other than the extra room for cooling, the cable routing options included with the tie downs, and the support for 2 3.5-inch drives and 3 2.5-inch drives is that this case is built solid with 0.5mm thick tempered glass and steel, meaning that it is built to last. In fact, this case is so good that I personally shall be using one in my next PC build video that I shall be releasing as soon as possible. So get yourself a case using our code VG Studios to get 15% off your entire purchase and get free shipping throughout Canada. Hey guys, so just before we continue with today's video, I wanted to give you a short thank you message. So exactly 1 year ago today, I published my very first Python video, and today we are already reaching 150 subs and 7,500 views. And honestly, there can't be anyone happier than me today, because I honestly didn't expect all this response. I didn't expect all this support and love from you guys. And thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm grateful for this, and I hope to make better videos and inspire more people to start coding too. And thank you once again. If you've been following along, in my last video we talked about sets in Python, and in this video we shall talk about dictionaries. Dictionaries in Python are containers that store the association between keys and their values. Dictionaries are made up of unique keys that store values that can be associated with different keys too. The syntax in Python to create a dictionary is the name is equal to empty curly brackets with keys and values separated by commas and colons respectively, like this. You can create the duplicate of a dictionary by simply using the dict function like this. And an empty pair of braces can be used to define an empty dictionary like this. In a dictionary, the values can be accessed only using their keys, as opposed to indexes in lists, strings, and tuples. And if you want to add values to this dictionary, you can simply say empty dict of name is equal to Vishwa. Empty dict of ID is equal to 123, where the key is in the square brackets and the value assigned to it is in the quotations here. In case you want to print the value associated with a specific key, you can print it like this. We can also use the in and not in operators to search for a key in a dictionary like this. If ID in empty dict, print empty dict of ID. You can also use the get method in Python to get the value associated with a specific key. Here, if you want to get the number with my name, you can say n is equal to my dict dot get of Vishwa, 400, and in the brackets a default value that can be returned in case no value is found for the given key, and in this case it's 400. To remove values from a dictionary, you can simply use the pop function like this. My dict dot pop of got 2. We can use a for loop to print the keys in a dictionary like this. For key in my dict, print key. Also, one thing to be noted here is that the values in a dictionary are stored in a way that maximizes the program efficiency, so they might or might not be stored in the same way that they were added. However, simply adding the sorted function to this command can help print the keys in a sorted order, like this. We can also simply iterate over items in a dictionary in Python using the items method, like this. For item in mydict.items print item of 0, comma, item of 1. Since we have now finished lists, tuples, and sets already, dictionaries shall be pretty easy to understand, I guess. So let's finish off this video with dictionary operations. Here are images of a few common dictionary operations. So that's all for today, guys. And today we learned about dictionaries, keys and values, the syntax for dictionaries, dictionary functions and methods, and finally, common dictionary operations. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you learned something new today, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. And if you have any kinds of suggestions or doubts, you can leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.